Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about entrepreneurs for beginners. Should you keep your full-time job or not? You do want to pay attention to this message because I was just asked this question yesterday by three people, and I'm going to go ahead and give you the goods because I want to go ahead and help you today. Now, if this is your first time, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That'll way you to get videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is. This is Shelton, and it's time to give you the content of entrepreneurs for beginners. Should you quit or keep your full-time job or not? Now, everybody, most people, I should say, a lot of people wants to quit that job. You know, you come to the online business space and you want to go ahead and quit that job right away, especially if you hate your job. Most people hate their job. Most people have reasons why they hate their job. Let me raise my hand. I remember a job I was doing. It was almost a 2-hour commute to that damn job. It was a 2-hour commute to that job. And then when I got there, the boss was literally waiting by the damn door. He was waiting by the door, looking at his watch and saying, making sure I was on time or not. Then when I clocked in the damn job, it was all this work on my desk to do. So I remember asking him, you know, have you done any of this work? And he's like, no, just all this work is for you. Now, granted, he knew my commute was 2 hours. Then waiting by the door. Then when I got to my desk, there's a stack full of work to do. Nobody even done it. So things like that, I'm not sure if you can really relate to that. But that's when I really started hating my job. And it wasn't just a job, it's the way you were treated. So basically, should you quit your full-time job or even your part-time job if you're just beginning this entrepreneur world? And the answer is, it really depends. I don't recommend quitting your job right away. I recommend you to learn the skill sets of being an entrepreneur, and that's going through the process. So let me give you an example. So affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you decide to become an affiliate marketer, which I hope you do because I do have an unbelievable opportunity for you at the end of this video. You definitely want to stay tuned for that. But anyway, so if you decide to be an affiliate marketer, affiliate business owner, yes, there's a process to go through, and you can do that while you keep your full-time job. Why? Because you may need that full-time job to fund your business. You may need that full-time job to give you that opportunity where you can get the supplies and the training, all those type of things in terms of paying. I'm going to be honest with you, in terms of investing, you can use the full-time position to fund your dream. And your dream job could be affiliate marketing online business. Have that laptop lifestyle, work from home, travel all over the world, and all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a laptop, just the same laptop I'm speaking to you right now. But I would say it really depends on your finances. Now, if you're able to quit your full-time job and do this full-time, then that's a whole different story. But I recommend most people, when they come on and they start at being an entrepreneur, they may need that full-time position to go ahead and fund their business unless they have a savings account and other type of investments that can support their online business. So it really depends. Most people probably need to keep their full-time job for a period of time. Let that fund your online business, paying and investing to the coaches, mentorship, your mindset training, which is so important. Mindset training, so important. I think that is one of the major keys when you're starting your own online business is mindset training and getting the right mentor and coach that can teach you the core values and whatever opportunity that you decide to do. And of course, the right system. Now we talked about system, we talked about coaching, talking about full-time job. Yes, you do need to consider those options, keeping that full-time job. That way you have an opportunity to build your online business. Now, I did tell you about this unbelievable opportunity earlier in the video, and I'm telling you this, if you even have a full-time job or even a part-time job, and you just want that, you know, that freedom lifestyle, you want to get the training to go ahead and build your online business. If you dream at night of just firing that boss, let me raise my hand. If you dream at night, firing that boss, stop the 2-hour commute that I did. I remember that 2-hour commute was crazy. And you just want to go ahead and have that freedom lifestyle, spend more time with friends and family, I do have an unbelievable opportunity that will teach you how to build your own business. Right below this video, click on the link below. It's my #1 recommendation to start your own online business and make money from home. This great opportunity will definitely teach you that. And get this, when you sign up, put your email address and watch the video on the end of that, you will see that the video is impactful. The video is a real story. You'll see that, and then you'll go ahead and sign up for $1. That $1 is pays for the training. It's investing $1 for the training, and you have an advisor at every step of the way. So click on the link below to get started, and you can do this as a full-time job. If you don't even have a job, you can even do this as well, because $1 for the training, and plus you're gonna get guided in the right opportunity to build your online business for everything from mindset training, marketing, email writing, all that jazz. Absolutely. Plus, I'll be your sponsor. I'll definitely help you out as well. So click on the link below to get started. It doesn't matter if you have a full-time job or no job. Click on that link below to get started. And I can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a good day.